Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 95 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, that is perfection possible? So let's start. So we all aim for good lifestyle, perfect life, perfect partner, perfect success, perfect look. We all aim for that. Because from our childhood only, we are taught to aim for the best. We are taught to aim for big. That is our societal culture. So my question is perfection possible? So let's discuss. So you have seen two flowers. No two flowers look the same. Same as human beings. Same as persons. They don't have similar qualities. They don't have same idea, and that creates diversity, that make difference. Suppose a world where everybody has same idea, same talent, and same thought, same thinking, then how will world look like? It will look like boring. Yes. So same. So in life, imperfection is also good because it creates diversity. We always compare ourselves with successful people. We see their post on social media. We see their success stories. We see their happiness. We see their joyful life, and we are not gone through their struggles. We are not gone through their unsuccessful life, and we are seeing their only positive parts. We are not seeing their negative parts, and then we compare ourselves with others, that we are lagging behind. They are so successful, they are so perfect, I am imperfect. We do these type of things, but that's wrong, because imperfection is a part of life. If we will not compare ourselves with we should never compare ourselves with others, because if everybody will same, life will be so boring. There will be no diversity, there will be no diversification, so life will be really boring. So perfect life is really unpredictable. If you want the best, but you don't know what will happen next, so you have to be in control. You have to learn to adapt. Instead of thinking that I want to be perfect, everything should be perfect. No, you have to adapt. That is life. And I consider perfection not a destination. I consider perfection as an idea. It inspires us. It motivates us to do best, to do the things in a best way. When a child learns to walk, they fall many times. They fall many times. Do we judge? Do we say that, oh, you fail, you will not able to do anything in life? Do we say that? No, na. Then why we ourselves do like that? Why when we fail in exam or in mock test or something, we blame ourselves? Why? We should not blame ourselves, because mistake are part of a success. Mistake is not opposite to success. Mistake are part of success. So we should behave like that. As two flowers cannot be same, so same human beings' personality can't be same. It differs, and that brings beauty in the culture, diversity. So is perfection possible? Some extent it is possible, but probably not. So perfection and the difference between perfection and excellence is only one point. That perfection is something that help us to improve ourselves, and excellence says that if I fail also, I will learn from my mistake. And perfection says that what if I will fail? We have a fear of failure when we think about perfection. Means when we think about I have to be perfect, there will be no mistakes. But that's not true. Mistakes are part of life. So that's all for today's video, and I will conclude that everything is not perfect, so you don't So everything is not perfect. So in a imperfect life, you may be a combination of perfect as well as imperfect, because life is itself imperfect. So that's all for today video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.